All right, so today we're gonna go ahead and blow up a gallon of gasoline with Tannerite. And the reason why we're doing this is because since the nation has been in such a drought, there's been quite a few fires started by explosive targets. And the difference between other explosive targets and Tannerite is Tannerite uses a explosive grade ammonium nitrate, whereas other companies use fertilizer grade ammonium nitrate. So to prove that this is real gasoline, I have my 4-stroke weed eater right here, and it has no fuel in it. So I'll go ahead, or a few drops at least. So I'll go ahead and start this for you guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and prime it. Let's start it. All right, so now you know it's gasoline. And so that I don't do any editing tricks on you, I'm gonna keep the camera on in one long, ugly take. So let's get her done.
Yeah, I'm liking with this thing trying to walk straight.
Okay. All right. So you can still see it out there. It's good. All right. Oh, need some elevation. So since you guys love slow motion, we're gonna blow up one more gallon, and I have my camera set up for slow motion, so check it out. Oh, it smells like gasoline. Well, that's the gas. And that is gas can numero 2.